Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what we want to do is we want to close background apps. So here, we click on this button right here, and we close all of the background apps. Now I had none because I'm not using this phone that much, and I always close them. Now what you guys want to do next is lower your refresh rate and brightness. So you don't need to do that, but of course it will help you with your overheating issues. We need to I scroll too much, and we need to go to display and brightness, and here we can adjust the brightness just like that, and I'm gonna keep it around here. And of course make sure that you disable adaptive brightness because it will just boost it up, and we don't want to boost it up. We want to make sure that it's lower than it should be. Next, here we have screen refresh rate, and you can use auto switch, so it will be exactly however you like it. Now when the phone is static, it does nothing. It's at 60 unless you're gaming. And for the gaming, make sure that if you game, make sure to enable bypass charging. So to enable it, you need to go over into the power marathon, which is like a battery setting here. And what we want to do is we want to go to charge at the bottom. We have bypass charging, and if we charge our phone, as you guys can see, if it's connected to the original charger during gaming, it does not have to be original. Everything will work just fine if you use just the charger that's working with your phone. It does not have to be the original. It will go into the phone, so it will go straight to the system and it will run around the battery, so it does not heat up that much. And of course, as a last resort, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we update our software. So what are we going to do next is scroll all the way down at the bottom to system update, and click on online update. Now as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.